Luxury home gadgets in 2026 are not just about expensive price tags, but about sophisticated technology, premium materials, and features that genuinely elevate daily living. Let me show you 20 luxury Amazon home gadgets from 2026 that represent the peak of domestic technology and design. Number 20. Dyson Purifier. Humidify Cool Formaldehyde. Dyson's flagship air treatment system combines purification, humidification cooling, and formaldehyde destruction in one stunning device with aerospace-grade engineering. The catalytic filter continuously destroys formaldehyde, breaking it down into trace amounts of water and carbon dioxide. The HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The humidification uses ultraviolet light to kill waterborne bacteria before misting. The bladeless fan technology circulates treated air throughout entire rooms silently. The real-time air quality monitoring displays pollutant levels on the LCD screen and smartphone app. The machine detects and reports formaldehyde levels specifically, which off gases from furniture flooring and household products. The intelligent climate control maintains optimal temperature and humidity automatically. Number 19. La Marzocco. Linea Micra Espresso Machine. This compact home espresso machine uses the same commercial technology that equips the world's best coffee shops, delivering cafe-quality shots in stunning handcrafted design. The dual boiler system allows simultaneous brewing and steaming. The saturated group head maintains precise temperature stability. The PID temperature control adjusts in 0.1 degree increments. The pre-infusion gently soaks grounds before full pressure extraction. The machine produces genuine espresso with proper 9-bar pressure and 200-degree water temperature. The steam wand creates microfoam for professional latte art. The handcrafted stainless steel body is built in Italy using traditional methods. The paddle interface controls shot timing with tactile feedback. Number 18. Miele Complete C3. Kona Canister Vacuum. Miele's flagship canister vacuum uses German engineering and premium materials, creating a cleaning tool designed to last 20 years with exceptional performance. The 1,200-watt Vortex motor provides powerful suction while remaining surprisingly quiet. The sealed system with HEPA filtration captures allergens completely. The Electrobrush automatically adjusts to carpet height, optimizing cleaning. The Parquet floor brush protects a delicate hardwood. The variety of specialized tools handles furniture upholstery and crevices. The lightweight wand and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue during cleaning. The automatic cord rewind activates with a toe tap. Number 17. Breville Oracle Jet Espresso Machine. Breville created an espresso machine with artificial intelligence that learns your preferences and automatically adjusts every parameter, producing perfect shots consistently. The machine handles grinding, dosing, tamping, and extraction automatically. The thermojet heating system reaches optimal temperature in 3 seconds. The dual temperature control maintains separate settings for brewing and steaming. The automatic microfoam milk texturing creates barista-quality foam. The touchscreen interface guides you through customization. The machine saves 8 personalized drink profiles. The AI learns from each shot, adjusting grind size, dose, and extraction time automatically. Number 16. Samsung Bespoke 4-door Flex Refrigerator. Samsung's luxury refrigerator uses customizable door panels and advanced food preservation technology in a design that adapts to your changing needs. The Flex Zone drawer converts between fridge and freezer with 5 temperature settings. The Family Hub touchscreen displays calendars, photos, recipes, and grocery lists. The internal cameras show fridge contents from your phone, preventing duplicate purchases. The dual ice maker produces cubed and ice bites simultaneously. The beverage center provides quick access to drinks. The adjustable shelving configures for different storage needs. The metal cooling maintains consistent temperatures. The deodorizing filter eliminates odors. Number 15. iRobot Roomba Combo J9+. This robot vacuum and mop uses advanced AI navigation and self-emptying technology, maintaining floors completely autonomously for months without intervention. The vacuum suction is powerful, handling carpets and hard floors equally well. The mopping system lifts completely when detecting carpet preventing wet messes. The Precision Vision navigation identifies and avoids obstacles like shoes cords and pet waste. The self-emptying base holds 60 days of debris. The automatic dirt disposal empties the robot after each cleaning. The smart mapping learns your home layout, creating efficient cleaning paths. The scheduled cleaning runs when you prefer. Number 14. Anova Precision Oven. This countertop combi oven uses steam convection and precise temperature control, achieving professional cooking results impossible with conventional ovens. The steam injection creates moist heat perfect for bread and pastries. The convection mode provides dry heat for roasting and crisping. The combination modes blend steam and convection optimally. The sous vide mode maintains water bath precision for perfect proteins. The temperature accuracy is 0.5 degrees across the entire cooking chamber. The probe thermometer monitors internal food temperature, stopping cooking automatically at target doneness. The guided cooking programs walk through recipes step by step. The smartphone app provides remote monitoring and control. Number 13. Hestan Q Smart Cooking System. Hestan created an intelligent cooking system combining induction burner, smart cookware, and guided recipes that make gourmet cooking foolproof through automated temperature control. The induction burner communicates with embedded sensors in the cookware. The system controls temperature, precisely maintaining settings automatically. The video recipes guide through each step, showing techniques clearly. The burner adjusts heat in real time based on recipe requirements. The cookware includes pans, pots, and griddles with integrated sensors. The non-stick coating is premium and durable. The handles stay cool during cooking. The recipes come from professional chefs. Number 12. Sonos Era 300 Spatial Audio Speaker. Sonos designed a speaker using 6 drivers positioned strategically to create 3-dimensional sound stages that fill rooms with immersive audio quality rivaling high-end home theaters. The spatial audio technology creates height and depth in music. The Dolby Atmos support provides cinematic sound. The 6 drivers include angled tweeters for ceiling reflections. The automatic room tuning uses true play technology, optimizing sound for your space. The dual direction design works in any room orientation. The multi-room audio synchronizes with other Sonos speakers. Number 11. Thermomix TM6 Cooking Appliance. This all-in-one cooking appliance replaces 12 kitchen devices, handling everything from chopping to cooking, with guided recipes that teach while automating complex techniques. The machine chops blends, nedzways, heats, stirs, steams, and slow cooks. The integrated scale weighs ingredients directly in the bowl. The precise temperature control ranges from 98 to 311 degrees Fahrenheit. The touchscreen provides step-by-step guided cooking. The recipe platform includes thousands of dishes from global cuisines. The Wi-Fi connectivity downloads new recipes automatically. Number 10. Therabody SmartGoggles. These luxury eye massagers use heat compression and guided meditation, reducing eye strain and promoting relaxation through scientifically designed therapy programs. The gentle heat soothes tired eyes. The compression massage improves circulation around orbital areas. The biometric sensors monitor heart rate, adjusting programs accordingly. The guided meditations reduce stress. The Smart Relax mode uses haptic vibration synchronized with breathing exercises. The portable design travels easily. Number 9. Molekule Air Pro Large Room Purifier. Molekule uses PECO technology that actually destroys pollutants at molecular level, rather than just capturing them like traditional HEPA filters, providing superior air purification. The photoelectrochemical oxidation breaks down pollutants into harmless molecules. The system eliminates bacteria, viruses, mold, and VOCs. The coverage handles up to 1,000 square feet. The 360-degree air intake maximizes purification efficiency. The particle sensor monitors air quality continuously. The app shows real-time pollution levels. The Auto Protect mode adjusts fan speed based on air quality. The leather handle adds premium aesthetic. The aluminum construction is durable and beautiful. Number 8. KitchenAid Smart Display Stand Mixer. KitchenAid added a touchscreen display to their iconic stand mixer, providing guided recipes, automatic speed adjustment, and precise timing for perfect baking results. The 5-quart capacity handles large batches. The 10-speed settings cover all mixing needs. The planetary mixing action reaches all bowl areas. The tilt head design allows easy access. The attachment hub accepts 15+ accessories. The guided recipes walk through steps with videos. The built-in timer prevents over-mixing. The auto pause feature stops mixing automatically. The ingredient sensors suggest when to add items. The premium finishes are stunning. The all-metal construction ensures longevity. Number 7. Vitamix Ascent, a 3500 blender. Vitamix created their most advanced blender with touchscreen controls, wireless connectivity, and self-detecting containers that adjust blending automatically. The 2.2 horsepower motor handles anything. The variable speed control provides precise blending. The pulse feature adds manual control. The self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance. The wireless connectivity tracks blade usage. The container detection adjusts programs automatically. The 5 program settings automate smoothies, soups, and more. The aircraft-grade stainless blades are laser cut. The cooling system prevents overheating. The quiet operation reduces noise. Number 6. Ember Temperature Control Mug. This luxury mug maintains your drink at precise temperature for hours, using app-controlled heating technology in beautiful design. The battery lasts 80 minutes or all day on the charging coaster. The temperature range adjusts from 120 to 145 degrees. The app saves temperature preferences for different drinks. The auto sleep conserves battery when empty. The LED indicator shows heating status. The ceramic coating is scratch resistant. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows submersion. The premium finishes are stunning. If you want perfect temperature drinks, this Ember is surprisingly transformative. Number 5. Le Creuset Signature Cast Iron Set. Le Creuset's premium enameled cast iron in luxury finishes provides unmatched cooking performance and heirloom quality that lasts generations. The even heat distribution creates perfect results. The enamel coating prevents reactions and sticking. The ergonomic handles stay cooler. The tight-fitting lids trap moisture. The variety of sizes handles all cooking. The colors are beautiful and chip-resistant. The lifetime warranty shows quality confidence. If you want cookware lasting decades, this represents ultimate investment. Number 4. Neato D10 Robot Vacuum. This premium robot vacuum uses laser navigation and exceptional suction maintaining floors with intelligence and power, surpassing cheaper alternatives. The D-shaped design reaches corners perfectly. The laser mapping creates efficient paths. The multi-floor memory remembers layouts. The no-go lines prevent unwanted areas. The true HEPA filter captures allergens. The large dustbin reduces emptying. The 150-minute runtime covers large homes. The app control provides scheduling. If you want the smartest robot vacuum, this Neato delivers premium performance. Number 3. Wolf Gourmet Countertop Oven. Wolf brought professional cooking expertise to countertop ovens, creating a convection oven that rivals built-in units. The dual convection fans circulate heat evenly. The precise temperature control maintains settings accurately. The interior light illuminates cooking. The 11 cooking modes handle everything. The Gourmet mode automates complex recipes. The stainless steel construction is commercial grade. The large capacity fits 12-inch pizzas. If you want professional results, this Wolf delivers restaurant quality. Number 2. Smeg Espresso Machine. Smeg combined Italian design with serious espresso technology, creating a machine that is both beautiful and capable of excellent shots. The 15-bar pump provides proper pressure. The stainless steel boiler maintains temperature. The cup warmer preheats cups. The frothing wand creates microfoam. The retro design is iconic. The build quality is exceptional. The 3-year warranty shows confidence. If you want espresso that looks and tastes amazing, this Smeg delivers both. Number 1. Miele Dialogue Oven. Miele's revolutionary oven uses electromagnetic waves targeting water molecules in food cooking from inside out, while keeping exteriors moist. The technology is completely unique. The combination with convection and steam provides unprecedented control. The cooking results are impossible with conventional ovens. The 20 automatic programs simplify gourmet cooking. The wireless food probe monitors doneness. The M Chef menus provide recipes. The cleaning programs maintain the oven. The premium construction ensures decades of use. If you want the absolute most advanced cooking technology available, this Miele represents the peak of culinary innovation, combining beauty performance and technology that literally changes how food cooks.